Do you have a sample but you only want to take a small part of it? I'm going to show you how to split samples using BandLab. So here we have our sample. It sounds really good. But maybe I just want to repeat the first part of the sample twice before letting the whole sample play out. So I'll do that by clicking on the region, moving the white line that goes through the project, that's called the playhead, where I want to split, and with the region selected, I hit the S key, and just like that, we've split the region. Now, the one to the right of the playhead is selected. I can hit delete. Little bonus tip, if you hold Option and you drag a region, it will copy it. So now we have the first half of the region playing twice in a row. It'll actually play 3 times in a row, and then it'll finally end. This is a really good technique, especially if you're using pre-recorded loops to get a little bit more mileage out of them, play around with the listener's ear a lot, and it can all be done using BandLab as we've described. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.